to my channel. I'm Rachel. I'm the creator of Classy and a Little Bit Sassy. Today I'm coming to you with perfume and fragrances. Not as an expert, but just to give you a little bit of insight of the products that I use. My first fragrance that I'll be introducing you to is Boss Mauve. It's a floral pink fragrance. It reminds you of the beginning of spring and it's very fresh. Boss Mauve. The second fragrance I'll be introducing you to is La Vie est Belle from Lancome. Very floral also, but it's like taking it back fresh. The third product is Jude. Everyone loves this. There's little that I have to say. And the fourth is Calvin Klein Women, not to be confused with CK1 or CKB. Calvin Klein Women. And just a little info, if you're in your early 20s and you're trying out perfumes, this would be my recommendation. It's soft, floral, powdery, and very luxurious. And it's fit for a princess. Calvin Klein Women. And now the classics. L'Interdit by Givenchy, created 1957 for Audrey Hepburn. She wore this fragrance a year before it was introduced to the market. I just love it. Very nice. The next fragrance I'll be introducing is Jude Hermes Absolute. It was introduced on the market 2014. It has a floral scent which could be considered classical. There are other fragrances that I do not have on the table, for example, Chanel No. 5 or Poison. If that's your choice, it's highly recommended. There's one bottle left that I have not introduced to you, and that is Happy to Be from Clinique. Do you see me looking happy? Now there's a story to this bottle. I bought this perfume 2 years ago. I went to the perfume store, of course, and I tried it. I was all spring up. And then I decided that I'll buy me a bottle, 100 milliliters. So I came home, was happy, went to bed. The next day I had to go to work. So I took a shower and I was all spraying up myself. Then my son was asking, what is that? My husband was asking the same question. And then I went to work. And of course, everyone was like, what are you wearing? And I'm like, happy to be. Happy to be. To make a long story short, I came home and now this is our toilet fragrance. Now I'm telling you this story to tell you something else. If you are going to buy yourself a new product, my advice to you is to try the product in the store. Then before buying, you can spray it on one of those testers paper, or better yet, have yourself a silk scarf, spray a bit on it, get home, put that in a plastic bag, wait for 2 to 3 days, and then if it's yours, fine. If it's not, do not fall in the trap, or else you'll have a bottle written, happy to be, but not happy. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, and see you very soon. Bye for now.